Hi everyone, this is Coraline from Natural V, it's your favorite. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own dark chocolate candy, okay? The other day I did two samples and one sample, I'll show you, just is it dark chocolate. So, instead of going buying it, you can make it yourself. And this one is more like a fat bomb because I had a mishap. What happened? My oil was too hot and the ingredients started clunking up. So what I did, I put it in the blender and then I added almond butter to it, and now it's a fat bomb. Okay, so this will be my dessert for later, and I suggest two of these is about 1 ounce, so that's good to have, for the day. All right, the what this is the cacao butter. Okay, you can use coconut oil if you don't have cacao butter. All right, but I'm using this because I love the smell of it. Okay, so I love the smell of it. So, and I'll have all the ingredients in the description so that you can, if you want to purchase it, fine. Now, this is the cacao powder. You can get this at Trader Joe's. It's organic. And the reason I like it, let me just share something. These are some good benefits about the cacao powder. It improves your blood flow. It lowers your blood pressure. It reduces diabetic risk because it has antioxidants in it. It lowers your LDL. It reduces inflammation. It improves your mood, and it improves brain function. So, like I said, I love this. And another thing, too, I want to tell you that it's very bitter, but I like bitter because it gets the organs in the inside moving. All right. So that's the next thing is I'm going to use some coconut milk powder. Now, if you are allergic to nuts, you can eliminate this, no problem. All right. So, but I just wanted to add just some more flavor. All right, and this is a sweetener. It's by whole earth. And what I did, it comes in granule, but what I did, I blended to make it a powder because sometimes the powder is a whole lot better. It dissolves a whole lot better than granule. Then I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon and salt and vanilla flavoring that I made myself. Okay, now this is warm enough. I put it on to melt so it wouldn't, wouldn't have to have a long video. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of test it to see if it's, yeah, okay. It's just right. It's not too hot. So what I'm going to do, let's see, take the bowl out. All right, that's good. And I'm going to dump this water out. Because I don't want to have any accidents, and it is off. And I'm just going to move this behind me so that it can cool off. All right, so here we go. It's a little wet there. Okay. All right, there we go. Let me get one of these paper towels here. Okay. So this is about, like I said, 56 grams or 1/4 cup. Okay, we're going to just test it one more time. Yeah, okay, that's good. Because like I said, if you have it too hot, it'll start clumping up. But I told you what you could do. All right. So now we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of the cacao powder. Stir it. Okay. Now I'm going to add the coconut powder, coconut milk powder. Like I said, you don't have to use it if you're allergic to, nuts. Now, some recipes, they probably tell you use a fourth of cup of the cocoa butter, the cocoa powder, but I don't use. I use only 2 tablespoons because the cacao powder, like I said, is very bitter. All right, now we're going to add the sweetener. Yeah, this is a nice smooth one. Like I said, make sure it's not too hot because if the liquid is too hot, it'll start clunking up. This is nice and smooth. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, nice and smooth. Okay, so now I add a little bit of cinnamon. A little bit of vanilla flavoring. I made this vanilla flavoring with vegetable glycerin and vanilla bean. And I was able to make quite a bit. So, all right. Now we're going to add some salt. I'm going to start out with, this is a fourth of a teaspoon, but I'm just going to start out with half of this. And even if you put too much in it, let me tell you something. The salt and chocolate and sweet, oh goodness, it gives it a very good taste. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to taste this and see, make sure it has enough sweetener in it. Perfect, perfect. That's very good. What I'm going to do, a little bit more salt. Because have you seen it's the Lily bars, and they have a sea salt dark chocolate. I love it. My husband and I love it. And we would, eat the bar together. But we would only eat, one section. I would take a section, he would take a section. Then the next day we'd take another section and stuff like that. Okay. All right. Okay. Try this one more time. Okay. All right. So we're going to put all this to the side like that. Put that right there. All right. Have my little, now these are the silicone molds that I have. All right. I'm trying to think. I ordered these. I think I ordered these online, So that has a square and the round. So I'm just going to keep this around. So just in case I might have to stir it again. So I'll put that right there. Well, let me let you see what it looks like in the inside. You can see that. See. Okay. Okay. I'll put a little bit more in these here. Okay, that's it. Let me see if I can, this probably can go right in here like that. And let me tell you another thing too. You can mix nuts with this. You can mix um, what is not only nuts but pecans. Well, pecans, yeah. Pumpkin seed. Have you have? I'm sure you all heard of the bark, the dark chocolate bark candy, and it has pumpkin seeds in it. So you can even drop pumpkin seeds in there and then put the chocolate over. So that made let me see, 2, 4, 8, 9. This is tray holds 10, but it made 9. So like I said, try it. And what I will do, I'm going to put it on a plate because when you want to I'll get the plate and put it on the plate, then you put it in the freezer, and once it's frozen, I let it freeze about 30 minutes, then I pop them out, put them in a plastic bag, and then I have, like I said, I eat 2 a day. So that's how you make it. It's that simple. Again, if you want to make it into a fat bomb, then add peanut butter to it. The peanut butter should be the same ratio as the cacao butter or coconut oil. So if you use 1/4 of a cup, then you want to use 1/4 of a cup of the peanut butter or almond butter. Okay, thank you for watching, and make sure you try it and let me know how yours turned out. All right, bye. Have a great day.